Quick little video. Today's I'm mainly working on this. These are just dummy lines. I've got to do some better ones. But today I've been trying to take tint off windows. That's it. Decided to pull some stuff out and start. I haven't cleaned it yet, but I'm going to give it a clean inside. Yeah, getting tint off. Got the heat gun. Got the razor. Yeah. Don't forget these magnificent people here. Go see Tony. Say hello. Say hello to Lee. For all your good stuff. So that's all I've been doing today, is just trying to get tint off the windows. It looks better without the tint, especially when it's old. I haven't done this one yet, but you can see on the tint there all the crap. It's just crap. Anyway, might get it new tinted later on down the track. I'm still hesitant about putting the chrome strips. I've got the chrome, but I don't want to drill holes in it, but I've already got holes in here. So they're the plugs for the trim to clip into. I might block them up. I don't know. Don't know what I'm going to do there. I've got all the trims up here. I just don't want to drill holes into the car. There's the side ones, and anyway, that's the rear trim for it. I don't know. What do you reckon? Should I put it on? I don't think so, at this stage anyway. Oh, I thought I took that tint out. I haven't taken it out yet. I've got 3 more doors to go. Fun. Anyway, I hope everyone's having a good Sunday. My Sunday started off shite. Went down to my breakfast place where I have breakfast every Sunday morning. And they're closed till the end of January. I'll back to King Road next week. So we'll be down there next Sunday, King Road. And we'll take Baxy for another run. Any long trips we run down in Baxy. So anyway, it's pretty humid here in Botto. Hope you guys are having a good day. Let's have a look outside. Sky looks grey, but we're not getting any rain, that's for sure. Anyway, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to Yarny's Garage. I'm trying to get me 1,000 subs up. And yeah, good hand. He's the protector of the shed. Say hello, Lightning. Nah, doesn't want to say much. Anyone want to buy a moke? Swap you for a 4-wheel drive. You got a 4-wheel drive? I'm chasing a 4-wheel drive. Ah, the old bum side. Pretty sad. Anyway. Have an awesome day, everyone. Have a great week. Stay cool. I'll be here taking tint off. Cheers.